Theorem 6.1. This is page number 94, class 9, NCERT book. Theorem 6.1 is saying if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. A, B, C, D and O. Here it is A, here it is B, here it is C given, and here it is D given. So theorem is saying, theorem 6.1, if two lines intersect each other, if two lines intersect, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles, then the vertically linear pair, where it is, vertically opposite angles are equal. See, there are two lines A, B and C, D intersecting at point O. Then you can say this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4. So we have to prove angle 1, that is angle AOC, is equal to angle 2, that is angle BOD, and you have to prove angle 3, that is angle AOD, is equal to angle 4, that is angle COB. We have to prove these two pair of vertically opposite angles equals. Now CD is a straight line, so angle 1 plus angle 3 will be 180 degree, and AB is a straight line, so angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and you have to use say A, or equation 1, you can say equation 1. Similarly, we have to prove angle 3 is equal to angle 4. As AB is a straight line, so angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, and AD is a straight line, so angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. So we conclude here angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is equation 2. From 1 and 2, we get the result that angle 1 is equal to 2 and angle 3 is equal to 4. That means when the two lines intersect to each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Hence prove. Now example number 4. In the figure, now example number 1. In figure 6.9, then PQ and the RS intersect each other at O. If angle PQR plus PROQ in the ratio 5:7, find their angles. POR. See the figure. Here's example number 1. Example number 1 is saying one figure is there. This is P and this is Q. This is R and this is S. Two lines are there. Here it is given angle POR ratio angle ROQ is equal to 5:7. So find the all angles. This is O. So POR, that means this angle, and ROQ this angle. Ratios are given. So let angle POR is equal to 5x and let ROQ is equal to 7x. Therefore, angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 5x plus 7x is equal to 180 degree. So 12x is equal to 180 degree. So x is equal to 180 degree divided by 12. So that is 15. So values of the angles are angle POR is equal to x, that is the 15 degree. 15 into 5 that is 75 degree, and angle ROQ, that is 15 degree into 7, that is 105 degree. So angles are, this is 75 degree and this is 105 degree. So you can check their ratios. Ratios are in the ratio 5:7. The next question is, the next question is example number 2. Example number 2 of this is saying, see the figure 6.0. See, first example number 1, have you got or not? This is example number 1. And example number 2, question: if the figure 6.10 figure is given,